How to get your Amazon affiliate links. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can generate and copy Amazon affiliate links. So let's begin the tutorial. So once you signed up for Amazon Associates and you get approved to your Amazon affiliate account dashboard, next thing for you is to find and copy Amazon affiliate links of the product that you want to promote. So in order to do that, first of all, log into your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So as I have created India Amazon affiliate account, here I'm gonna visit to India Amazon affiliate. And make sure you are signed into your Amazon affiliate account. Now once you signed in, here on your Amazon Associates dashboard, here select on Tools. And then under it, click on Site Stripe. And here click on Learn More. And here it is under Display Settings, make sure your display status is enabled. And here you can see I have disabled display status on my Amazon affiliate account. So if it is disabled and I visit to Amazon website, you can see at the very top header of this website, there is no Amazon Associates Site Stripe option. And if it is not enabled, then I cannot get affiliate links for the product that I'm gonna select. So first make sure under Site Stripe, display status is enabled. So here let me enable it. And here it has been enabled. Now let me go back to Amazon website again. And here it is still not showing, but I need to refresh this page. So let me refresh this page. And there it is, as you can see, Amazon Associates Site Stripe has been enabled and it is being displayed at the header of this website. So once you enable display status under Site Stripe on your Amazon Associates account, now to generate and get affiliate link of any product, search the product that you want to promote and then select the right product. And here on Amazon Associates Site Stripe, to get your Amazon affiliate links, click on Text under Get Link. And there it is, here you can find and copy your Amazon affiliate link. Here you have two type of links, short link and full link. And definitely you're gonna copy short link because it looks more simple and more clickable. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you can generate, find and copy your Amazon affiliate links. And if you found this video helpful, then definitely hit that like button and leave a comment in this video. And if you want to create an Amazon US affiliate account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.